Hey, how you doing? You alright? Come here real quick. Just turn around real quick, I'll explain. You're not in any trouble.
What the heck?
Come to the back.
Yo, bro. Hey.
Hold on, I'll tell you why.
Hey, what's going on?
Let's go talk. We're going to talk.
Hey,
I'll tell you why. Good.
Whoa, let's go. Relax.
Come to the back.
Relax,
Come to the back.
Yo, get my phone, bro. Get my phone. Get my phone. It's right there. Right there. Let's go live, bro. Let's go live. Press it, bro.
Il est moment de qui. Situation bilkul à chanak shuru o tiai. Kame damen saba pauzo waat sunai diti hai wow hai ex sok ditian. Bro. Main cop car main hoon. Yakia ho raha hai. AAP notice carrying Kai's police officers Peli High, second SE situation. KO, control, main lane key koshish kardihain. Officer calmly, Katra High. Relax, 2M trouble my nahi ho, bus picha o. Yahan police ka, standard procedure hoda high. Jabkoi serious call A. To officers Peli individual KO, separate or secure kardihain. Magari yanek aud interesting chizora yai. Sudpet, Iastima apa rost koke zahahai. Brophone atha, live chaladu. Deki Kai's situation social media or real life policing ku beach, ek unusual clash ban rahi high. AAP kia, sakti hain? Kia banda segment kun futai iafos bata hai kia ho zahahai. Ubi tak officers arrest announced nahi kar rahi. Baki detention stage main hain. Yani police bas ensure karnachati high, casine safe ho. Lekin asi tuis abi ana baki hai.
We'll explain. Press public, bro. Press public. Real shit, bro. What is going on right now?
Come on, so we're going to talk with you.
Go live, bro. What did I do? Bro, press it, dude. Press done. What did I didn't do nothing, though.
No, we're going to explain it. Can you take a minute, listen? Somebody in your name called. Hear me out. You ready?
What did I do, bro?
You're going to listen to me?
He's trying to explain it to you.
Yeah, we're going to explain to you.
Step back real bit.
Hey. We're filming too.
Bro, I didn't. Yo, bro. Oh my God, bro.
Let's
I
talk to
swear
him
I didn't
away
do
from
nothing, bro. Chill.
Away from this guy.
And we are going to explain. Oh my
You're going to come back here with me.
I don't care. Okay.
What's going on? Swatting. That's what that is. Y'all know what swatting is?
Yeah,
It happened to his boy Aiden last night.
Okay, so this is one of those silly things that people.
Yeah.
Well, and he didn't
You
get
know who
swatted,
he is, right?
I don't know who he is. I don't know any of that.
Right now.
I
don't care about any
We don't
of that.
care
Well,
about
I'm just
any
letting
of
you know
that.
that's the situation. Like that.
Okay.
He got swatted. That's what it is. Someone called him in. You can look on what.
No, I believe you. I believe that that's
We've
a thing.
been live for the past 2 hours.
Live doing what? Waiting for this to happen?
No. Breaking a PS4. He plays video games live on stream. Like I said, there's 100,000 people watching.
Okay.
Ab Situation todi clear honalakti high. Officer explained Karn, he koshish kar, raha, high, kuwan he ex serious emergency call militi. AAP notice carrion. Streamer barbar, kh raha high. Mankushnai kia, mambastream kaha de asha. Yahan ek important concept samajna zarori high, swatting. Swatting with dangerous prank hoda, high jahan, koi, anonymous caller police, KO Judy report Dita, hi, Kujishi address a par hostage situation, Yamas, shooting home Wali high. Iska result? Police KO, full emergency response, Bejna Pada high. Officer KHRA high. Someone call with your name. Yaline Bahut critical high. Police Ubibi verify stage main high. AAP notice carrying Kai's officers calm, tone, main situation KO explain car Rahi Hain. Kyunk Agar call Sach Hodi. Tahar second life-threatening host Saktada. Aur yahi moment, hai yahan tension clarly mesos, hon lagti hai. Agar ye swatting prank high. Ts surf mazak nahi. Ya legally serious crime high.
That's what he does.
We're going to shut that part down for right now.
There's a full time. Don't turn it off. You don't got to do that.
We're going to do that while we have a conversation.
Yo, chat. Spam L in the chat. They're making us turn it off. But we'll keep y'all updated. That's his mom calling him. His phone, hold on.
Well, his dad's out front. We're talking.
Yeah, we've
about.
talked to his dad out front.
I'm just his cameraman. That's all I am. But He was in Miami. Same thing happened to him last night. There's something going on right now. They're swatting. It's the thing that people do. They find that his address has been leaked.
Well, somebody got killed doing that. Now,
Yeah.
where was that? That was.
That's why he's freaking out, because he knows the risk of it.
Yeah, that's.
So you're saying somebody
Oh, I know. For
called
sure.
us
Yeah, I know for sure.
with some BS.
Yeah, and if you don't believe me, you can. We literally just ended a live stream. He's been streaming for the past 3.5 hours, 2 hours, 2.5, 3.5 hours.
Okay.
You can see everything that he's done for the past 2.5 hours.
Okay.
So,
Do me a favor. You can walk out here with us.
yeah.
Leave your phone there for now.
Well, here, I'll carry it for you so you don't.
That's his phone.
Oh, it's his phone?
Yeah, that's his.
Somebody done pranked us and said that he was about to kill me and kill the whole
Yeah.
Okay. Does he have any mental
No.
diagnosis or anything like that? Any guns in the house?
No. I mean, I have one.
Okay.
Hello?
Do you know who he's here with?
Okay,
Hey, hello? Hello?
Yeah, I know.
Ab Situation Todi clear Honalakti High. Officer explained Karn, he koshish kar, raha, hi, kuwan he ex serious emergency call militi. AAP notice carrion. Streamer barbar, kh raha hi. Mankush naikia, mambastream kaha de asha. Yahan ek important concept samajna zarori hi, swatting. Swatting with dangerous prank hoda, hi jahan, koi, anonymous caller police, KO Judy report Dita, hi, Kujishi address a par hostage situation, Yamas, shooting hone wali hi. Iska result? Police KO, full emergency response, Bejna Pada hi. Officer KHRA hi. Someone call with your name. Yaline Bahut critical hi. Police Ubibi verify stage main hi. AAP notice carrying Kai's officers calm, tone, main situation KO explain car Rahi Hain. Kyunk Agar call Sach Hodi. Tahar second life-threatening host Saktada. Aur yahi moment, hay yahan tension clarly mesos, hon lagti hay. Agar ye swatting prank high. Tia surf mazak nahi. Ya legally serious crime high.
No, I don't know who caught it.
I didn't say nothing. Were you trying to be funny?
I don't know. There's another kid out back. I don't know who it is. So, as long as the guns aren't up and everything, is he safe?
Yeah. You don't even know I got it.
He doesn't have any mental diagnosis or anything.
No.
Okay.
His mom on the way.
Mom's on the way?
Yeah.
Are you dad or stepdad?
Stepdad.
Stepdad.
Yeah.
What kind of car does she drive?
I'll tell you right.
Okay. She, will be here in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good. Yeah, we'll talk to you. There you go. That was quick. Coming in hot. She ain't happy.
What's he do on YouTube? Like, what kind of videos he make?
Started out as game.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's big money on that stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Listen to me. Someone called the 911 center and said, with your name, that you wanted to hurt your family and hurt yourself. So we came to make sure you're okay.
All right, just listen to me.
Okay.
I am a popular streamer. I am a YouTuber, okay?
Come on.
I have 10... Let me talk.
So guess what?
Okay,
If
hold on,
you're
wait.
good, you may be out of these cuffs, but relax.
Okay.
We're on your side.
All right.
We're here to make sure you're not going to harm yourself. Right?
All right.
Now,
just-
people
all right.
dox people, right?
Oh, yeah. All right,
Okay,
so
so maybe
let me
that's it.
talk, okay?
Come on.
I am a popular streamer. I have 10 million subs. You know what a streamer is, right?
Sure, I guess.
You know what a streamer is. Yeah, you ever heard of a streamer SWAT or whatever?
Okay, you got him? Told on. Yeah. Okay, so tell us about the streamer. What'd you say?
I didn't do nothing.
Were you trying to be funny?
No, I didn't do nothing.
Well, apparently someone called a help center out in Iowa and said, this address and I want to kill myself, my family.
No,
and
he's
everybody."
lying. It's
hear me out.
obviously a lie. It's a lie.
Well,
okay?
we're here to make sure, right?
Oh, yes.
Because of school shootings, right?
Yes.
Be on my side.
Yeah.
Work with me.
Yeah. I
Right,
understand.
imagine if, like, you
I
have a
just-
son.
I just
Hear me
never-
out. Imagine you have a son, you love him so much, and then someone calls your house and says, my son's... They said you have a Glock, an AR-15, and want to shoot everybody.
Oh, that's...
All right, well, let's put you in the car, and then guess what?
all right. This is just I'm trying to calm down, but it's like it's
overwhelming, right?
Yeah, it's just a streamer's like it's a streamer's like.
You think they tried to...
Of officer finally detail, share Carter High. 911 IT 嘅 Dum Apni Family 個 hurt 㗎 na 炸踢 hon. Yaline's son high situation ka waits a mage at a high. Imagine Karin. Agar AC called G-Shi Police Dispatch Center KO mile. To officers kapas ignore karn ka option high na yahoda. Yahoda high duty to respond. Stima shop min high. Vobaba kira high. Manek YouTube un. Mastreamer un. Mer million subscribers. Abe yahan doverods kolaid horaherein. Iktaraf internet julture. Dusri teraf real world law enforcement. Officer clearly kh raha high. Relax. Tumari sidebar. Yani police ka goal punishment ahi. Verification or safety high. Lekin abibi et bada sawan baki high. Akir ye fake call kisniki.
They call somebody called.
I know y'all think pranking my house.
Are you exactly?
Pranking my house. Yes, they prank my house.
I just told him that. Exactly. I keep telling. I'm a fake.
We're just trying to figure it out right now.
I mean, it's not really that much to. Exactly. It's a prank call. I keep telling y'all. I can't really explain it to y'all because I'm probably older, but you know, it's just like, you know what Twitch is? Twitch, YouTube.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
I mean, you know, I'm famous, you know, and I'm popular, you know.
And they're probably upset, jealous, or something like that.
No, there's just trolls. Like, it's just common trolls.
Well, this was serious.
I know, but it's a call.
That's why we got to do our job.
I've never been in the cup one in my life, man.
I'm sure you don't have anything on you.
I'm about to kill myself. I'm straight. What the f-
I know. We just got to do our job. What number? Call.
Who was that?
Call center right now. Apparently, my
You his mom?
Please, they pranking my house.
Are you his mom?
Yes,
Okay,
they prank our house all the time.
Okay. Well, let us figure it out.
Oh my God!
We were
y'all,
concerned.
This got to stop. No, y'all taking my son over.
No, we're not
people
taking
to keep
him.
pranking my son. Y'all got him in handcuffs right now.
Well, we're going to make sure he doesn't want to harm himself.
No, he ain't gonna harm himself.
All right,
Go in our house
we'll be
right
there.
now. People keep pranking my house.
Well, you need to explain it to me so we can investigate it properly.
Really?
Please, come here. I'm on your side. I got 5 kids.
Hold
Okay,
on.
calm down first.
Because you
Then
got
talk
my
to me.
son in handcuffs for no reason. Right
Well, because people were calling saying he wanted to kill you. I don't know if you knew that.
No.
But we didn't know that. Yeah, they called and said he had a gun and wanted to kill his mother
no,
and
he
dad.
ain't no guns. Ain't.
Well, come talk to us so we can let him out of cuffs.
He's
But
about to go with us.
But because of school shootings, we take it serious.
I understand that he's not about to kill nobody. These is constant pranks. Constant pranks.
Hey, Sarge, this is his mom, and
The police are surrounding my house right now. All in handcuffs. They can right now. Somebody don't prank us.
Can we do a check and see what that call center what number?
is that what they're doing, pranking you guys and stuff?
It happened to his boy.
He's in handcuffs.
Okay, that's what I actually.
Aiden, right, Tiff?
Yeah, I know Aiden.
It happened to Aiden last night. Same thing.
Same thing. That's what. It's a.
We took
All right,
it
let me
serious
talk to
because he
him.
said he wanted
I
to kill you
understand.
guys. So we were worried about you.
Who said that?
It was
How do
from
they
the
know? How do they?
helpline. It had your address, his name, is
These
everything.
people was pranking. Y'all gonna have to figure this out. Y'all gonna have to figure it.
I explained to them the SWAT. They're
Let's get him unhooked.
okay.
Yeah. Get him back down.
You guys are good with him?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, it's a prank. Y'all gonna have to figure this out. We gonna have to figure this out. Okay.
5232. Would you tell 5447 and 45 to release our person in custody and have them walk back this way?
Pranking us. You about to call who, Mason?
Like I said, we've been streaming for the past 3 hours.
Thanks, guys. I knew you guys were 3 people that knew what come to the back end.
I just took me a minute to get up there.
No. He just popped out, and I was like, oh.
I understand that. I understand.
And he was like, I opened the gate, and he's standing right there with a football. I'm like, at least you have a gun.
Just turn somebody around with a, excuse my language, with a daggone pizza. Because they constantly pranking.
Well, thanks for being understanding, but yeah, in the
I get
message,
y'all. I get
it was a hotline, and it said wants to kill
Y'all,
his
I
mom and
want y'all
dad.
to y'all can get the FBI and find them people and seeing who sent it. That's who need to be in handcuffs right now. That's who need to be in handcuffs right now. Because the people constantly keep pranking us. I just left pizza. Like,
is he like popular on YouTube or something?
Yes, he's very popular. I went down to the city and everything.
Wow.
I done it.
What's he talk about or do?
Gaming.
Gaming, he's doing a soccer.
One of the biggest people on
one of the biggest people. I done went down to the city. Officers Chandler, they.
I'm about to kill myself. I'm straight. What the
I know. But we just gotta do our job.
Yeah, what's she say? What did my mama say?
I don't know. Control your whatever.
It's crazy, man. Oh, I'm in a cop car, dog. Oh my god, this is crazy, dog. Oh my gosh, bro.
Alright. So, what's going on is that?
I'm a popular. It's a call, okay? I'm trying to explain y'all not getting what I'm trying to say. I am a popular streamer. These calls happen all the time. It just probably doesn't happen in Cincinnati because there's not that much famous people in Cincinnati.
Is it just people that are watching your stream?
It's people watching my stream that they're trolling. They're just trying to get me lit. Like I said, I don't know. It's like I don't know. I'm a popular streamer. I keep saying that. It's hard to me. It's hard to really explain. Tell y'all what's really going on. I can check anywhere in my house, anywhere. I can show y'all exactly what I'm really talking about.
I'll be here.
You want to
step forward. Why are you wearing sweatpants?
Too hot for that today.
So, but you need to understand, it's our job.
Yeah, and I get that, but I'm trying to explain to y'all, but y'all keep asking, why did it happen? And I'm telling y'all.
No.
Make sure you're under control.
What I'm trying to tell you is what was said.
Yeah.
So, what was said to us was that there's someone,
and I get that,
that was going to kill their entire family with a Glock 19.
Yes. This game, I'm just a streamer game. I stream games, yes.
What kind of game?
Fortnite, Valorant, Apex, I'm an all-around streamer.
Are you any good?
Yeah. Yeah, it was just one of them.
I'm his grandmother.
So just a little misunderstanding online.
Hey, but it was serious. You got to block your IP address?
They've been had our address since I came in.
I know, but I didn't know who it was. I didn't pick up.
Gray van and a black van.
If we get another thing like that to this address, we'll already have it documented that this has happened, so that we know.
You ain't been spotted before, right?
Maybe
This is my first
Try to
time.
get his name off everything, get him a P.O. box and stuff.
Yeah, we got the PO. Yeah.
I know.
Is that it? No, your number.
You guys are good.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, y'all good. I mean, it's all good. So what do y'all recommend moving forward besides?
Does he have use proxy servers and stuff to hide his IP address and stuff?
His address is all over the
Yeah, it's all
Your home address?
I'm not the moving
Aren't really friends.
Calming down there because
Yeah.
we have to investigate it.
Yeah, I was just confused. It just happened out of nowhere. I was just screaming.
Yeah. No. Because didn't the kid get killed?
Yeah, exactly.
SWAT kicked in their door and stuff.
Yeah.
Because they said he was going to kill.
There's a couple of them lately that have happened, and then they overreact.
This is ridiculous.
They're not updating right now.
Yeah, we don't overreact. we react, but we don't overreact.
Yeah, we don't overreact. Yeah, that's cool. We can throw the football at me.
Thank you.
All right.